Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can basically create your flashcards um, as a private thing, so just for you. Now let's get straight into it. Okay, so we will create for these new flashcards. If you go right here to this menu here on the left and then click flashcards, you will be redirected just right here. Now, um, to make them private, you will see here at the top left corner below the create a new flashcard set this button public. If you click on it, here is basically manage access. So what you need to do is just simply click here on everyone and then just me, and with that you will basically create a flashcard set to private, and you will make Quizlet set private just for you. And this is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.